So squad, I encourage you guys to check out the bike and all the features for yourself on Coswheel's website. This is the GT20 model, but they have a ton of different e-bikes and e-scooters and stuff like that. So if this isn't your flavor or your taste, I'm sure they have something that might be something for you. You can use my discount code Lucas-200 to save $200. It is also an affiliate code, so I will receive some kickback from the purchase if you do choose to go with a Coswheel. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, little review adventure video of the Coswheel GT20. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, fam. Look how beautiful this is. Park City, much better than. Peace out.